What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis. I got something in my throat. If you're new here, my name is Alexis, and don't mind as well subscribe and turn on that post notification bell right now. As y'all seen by the title, today I'm going to be doing an inventory haul. Well, inventory unboxing, whatever, for my business, Shop Pretty Girl Mafia. Links in the bio. I'm relaunching. Follow my business Instagram for the relaunch date. Don't mind any background noise. So I'm just gonna do this real quick, and then I'm making this video first because I'm gonna need y'all to comment some business questions, anything y'all want to know, how to find vendors, tips on how to get started, what e-commerce site to use, how to build a website, whatever I can help y'all out. So I got these glasses. I'll take one pair out and show y'all, and then I'll tell y'all what colors I got, because I don't want to do too much. Oh, y'all. Period. These don't look cute on me, but it's okay. It's okay. But then I got blue, black, and a clearish white color. Then some shop with me. Launch date is very soon. And let me show y'all what I got from Amazon. And this is, I opened every box, like I cut it before the video started, because I took a peek at everything. But I got some more lip gloss tubes. If y'all didn't know, I sell lip gloss. I think this is like 40. This should be 40. And then it comes with a little syringe, but I got more syringes anyways. I'm gonna get the big ones because this ain't it. I'm gonna get the big ones because this ain't it. And they come with some labels. I'm not using these because I need clear labels on my stuff. Then I got 4 more syringes. Is something leaking? Coconut oil. Fractionated. This oil, which is very moisturizing. Is this open? No, it's not. And some vitamin E oil. And then I got these lash brushes. They're pink and sparkly at the bottom. And I got some pipettes, but they're not in this box. I already took a peek at everything. These did not come like this, by the way. But that's just... Alright. So this is Classy Girl. I'm going to show you these quickly because my phone's about to die. What did I name this one? I got some new styles, so I don't know some of the names, honestly. Sad I don't know this name. This is Dior. Dior is like my son's name. And then some people were complaining I didn't have any short styles, so I got some of them too. This is Feisty. Very nice and dramatic. By the way, these are 100% mink lashes. This is one of the short pairs. This is Princess. They're shorter, but they're not short. I'm trying to find the other one. And this is Brat. And then this is my best-selling pair, Diva. Hard to tell in here, so I'm about to die. Then I'm not gonna pull out the whole box, but I'm gonna show you my pair. I get some First Slides. These is nothing to play with. Look. Yeah. Now actually I'll show you a couple different colors. This is my cotton candy bougie jelly bag. And they're really big, for real. They hold a lot. But I got the cotton candy one. Red bougie jelly bag. And then I got the white one. I ordered more colors, but this is what I had left from last time when I sold them out. I sold all my purses, and I wasn't supposed to till I relaunched, but I sold them. Now I'm not selling nothing till I got 15 purses on the way, plus the 5 in here. So yeah, and I got anklets on the way, but I was so impatient to record this video, which is why they're not in this video. But if you guys like this video and want more videos like this, like entrepreneur life videos, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any business related questions on how to start a business or want me to make a video like that, let me know. I'll help you. If you guys need help making a logo, I make logos. Hit me up. I make websites. Hit me up. If you guys would like to see example, you could go to my website. So if you guys would like to know about that, follow my business Instagram and my personal Instagram at Lilshawtyyyyy with 5 Y's is my personal Instagram, and my business Instagram is Shop Pretty Girl Mafia. And yeah, and I'm having a giveaway, so I decided I was gonna let y'all know. All you gotta do is follow my business Instagram at Shop Pretty Girl Mafia. The second thing you gotta do is tag 3 friends under my post, and the third thing you gotta do is repost it to your page or story and tag my business page in it, and you'll be entered to win. The giveaway date is on my relaunch day, which will be which will be announced later this week. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you get notifications every time I post a video or say something. Follow my social medias, including my business page, and enter that giveaway. And if you guys have any business related questions or like these entrepreneur like videos, let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, but I'm out.